Okay, I wanted to do a little demo on the GitHub, the official GitHub MCP server integration with Cursor. There's no official documentation about Cursor, but since it seems like VS Code is now returning fire, I'm going to use the Claude desktop setup. Super simple. Go over here and take a look. Cursor settings. When everything looks good, you get the green dot. These are all the tools. I already have it running. It is a Docker image, so you do need Docker on your local machine. But like I said, very simple. Also, I added this because the agent was not getting my username right. It was pulling my username from the file system. But anyway, really simple. You just need a GitHub access token. Super simple integration. So I wanted to show off a couple cool features. So this is one of my side projects. It's sort of I don't know, wanted to do some front end development and kind of build like a yet another rich text editor blog kind of UI. I originally had Cursor Agent sort of build me a roadmap and project management and README, and I want to stop doing that. So one of my first tasks is converting this README roadmap into a GitHub project. One thing to note, GitHub projects aren't integrated with the MCP server yet. Neither are milestones. You can't create either of those two, but you can sort of reference the milestone ID in the tool. So that's a little bit janky, but let's walk through something real quick. Let's add issues for the lock level features section of README. Milestone ID is, I believe it's 3, but let's just make sure. Let's see, milestones, block level features, yes, 3. Cool. The milestone ID is 3. I haven't tried this, but this might be interesting. If the add default to the enhance label, if you think the item is a bug, use the bug label. Let's see how that worked. And we can filter this by no project. I added some of these earlier. Let's see. I have to edit out this big. Okay, cool. Took a while. So I created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cool. Yeah, this is not the one we care about. block level, block level. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, cool. So we got the 2 bugs. You can see it picked up on the bugs here. Not really sure why it didn't pick up the to do, but that's okay. Dividers. Oh. Let's see. Basic tabbed spaces, indentation. Line number is not working. Auto refresh. Right, let's see if there's a copy button there. Add styled horizontal rules and decorative elements. Language selection. Oh, I see. Okay, there's many more here. Okay, cool. I see what it did. Dividers. Nice. Okay, yeah, so we got it all. 1, 3, 4. Yeah. So pretty neat. I see what it did. Block quotes, callouts, alerts, block quotes, callouts, alerts, tables and dividers. Nice. There's tables, there's dividers. Great. Sorry for that. Let's also do, this is kind of interesting too. Show me the last set of, show me the list of PRs. Obviously, this is something that both Claude and Cursor can do on the command line, but I think there's some really cool things you can do here with the MCP integration. That's cool, but that's not really what I wanted to do. Can you run PR 26? Yep. What files were involved and what impact did it have to the system? Cool. Let's see. What was in here 25? Finally, oh yeah, this is me kind of filing away at getting Terraform set up. Cool. Just moved. Let's see if it can do some kind of analysis on who he's been contributing. Well, that's because I asked it this question earlier today. Can you please rerun that analysis against GitHub to see if any new PRs and commits? And you can see it's calling up to GitHub now, which is neat. Tools. Okay, super neat. Are there any code scanning? Let's Oh, yeah. I didn't give it that. My token doesn't have. I guess that's interesting. So the list of tools is absolute. It doesn't. It's not a subset of what I've enabled in my GitHub token, but nevertheless, still cool. Let's look at a list of all the open issues. Cool. Let's see. Oh, okay, cool. Well, set up GitHub IP as an enhance. And let's move it to do. I don't know if that'll work, but let's see. Oh, well, nice. It labeled it as an enhancement, which is cool, but I don't think it can move it to do. Because yeah, we're gonna need to do it there. I'm gonna move it to do. Cool. What's in progress? Cool. And then can you close this issue? It looks like you are using correctly now. Yay. Cool. Done. Anyway, just thought it was pretty cool.